Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create people in Xactly. In order to create people, you already need to have users created in the system. Please refer to our previous video, which shows you how to create user records in Xactly. Here I have logged into Xactly. Now I will go to the Organization tab, and under Organization, I can find the People subtab. On the left, I can see two options. One, to upload people, and the second one to create person. The create persons option brings you to this screen where you can enter all these pieces of information and save your person record. If I create upload people, I can go here and download an upload template. Here I have already filled out a template with the required fields. The fields marked asterisks are the mandatory fields that are needed to be filled out. As you can see, employee ID, first name, last name, personal target, personal currency are some of the fields that are a must-have. So now let's go back and upload our people file in Xactly. I'm going to choose my file and I'm going to select the third option, which allows me to update an already created record as well as create a new person. Okay, my file has been uploaded successfully. If I search for all people here, all the records show. I'm going to double click on one person and here I can see all the details that we just uploaded. One thing to keep in mind while creating a person record for the first time is to leave the effective start date blank. When you leave the effective start date blank, Xactly by default assigns a start of time version to that record. And then as you go along, you can always create a new version whenever there are changes to your person record. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more Xactly tutorials, please contact us at Spectrum. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.